Hi everyone! In this video, we will discuss understanding the significance level and rejection region. A fitness consultant is evaluating the average daily protein intake of high schoolers. The consultant hypothesizes that the protein intake is not equal to the recommended daily amount for teenagers of 49 grams. To test this claim, we could set up a hypothesis test with a significance level of alpha equaling 0.10. Write a statement that interprets the significance level in context. Then, use a graph to show the rejection region. Let's discuss the hypotheses first. We have a null hypothesis and an alternative hypothesis. And we can see that the claim is an alternative hypothesis to the accepted norm or the null hypothesis. In this case, in the second sentence, we see that the consultant is hypothesizing that the intake is not equal to the recommended daily amount. So when we see not equal to, we know it's an alternative because an alternative needs less than, greater than, or not equal to. So we know we are doing something that is not equal to the 49 grams, which is our accepted norm of the day. And this is about the average daily protein. So we're going to use mu. So our alternative is mu does not equal 49. This means that our null hypothesis is that mu does equal 49. And we know that the null always has some form of an equal sign, whether it's the equal, less than or equal, or greater than or equal. All of those will be the null hypotheses that are accepted for the null. Let's discuss the significance level now. We have alpha equaling 0.10. Let's go ahead and change this from its decimal or probability to the percent by moving it 2 place values to the right, making our rejection probability 10%. So let's write our statement. Knowing we have a significance level of 10%, we have the possibility, or that there is a 10% possibility So we have a 10% chance that we go ahead and conclude the new claim that the alternative is that the average is not 49 grams. But in actuality, the average really is 49. Now let's discuss the rejection region and the type of test. When we have that it's not equal to 49, there's two ways to not be equal to it. One is lower and one is higher. That means we have two rejection regions, one on the left and one on the right, because there's two ways to not equal that. Which means because we have 10% as our significance level, we have two places where that significance needs to be divided amongst. So this is 5% here and 5% here, meaning that the rejection region, let's go ahead and highlight that, is down on this side and up on this side. So we have two rejection regions. And within here is the fail to reject region, which always remains in the middle because that's the accepted norm or average. So our rejection region is 0.05 on the left and 0.05 on the right. So we have written a statement that interprets the significance level in the context of the daily protein intake of high schoolers. We've also used a graph to show where the rejection region falls, so we're all done.